Hi guys, it's Brenda. Welcome back to my channel. I have another subscription box today from Wantable. It came in a brown box this time. Usually it comes in a white box. So let's open it up. If you watched my last video, you know that my last box from Wantable traveled all around the state before I got it, and it took about a week or a little more for me to get the box. So I was excited when this one arrived on time and I didn't have to go to the post office and try to track it down. Alright, here is what the inside looks like, and the little ribbon in here says beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself by Coco Chanel. On the back there is some information on Wantable. Wantable has upped their game a little bit. They now have a stream that you can go on and look at the items that they have available, and you can request those items, which is really cool, and I did that. I requested I think 3 different things. So let's get to it and see what I got. Alright, I have one bundle. And first of all, my little information packet with my items in it. There's a note in here. Let's see who my stylist is this time. My stylist is Natalia. I've not had her before. Let's see. Hi Brenda, I hope these pieces inspire you to curate a look that is entirely your own, no matter the situation or the season. Their versatility makes them perfect when paired together or with pieces waiting in your wardrobe. Mix and match these pieces over the next 5 days to decide which are a must-have and which you'll be sending back our way. Need additional inspiration? Check out our newly updated stream for added insight into our inventory. Enjoy, Natalia. And it's got her picture right there. Okay, let me read this. I got people walking in my house. Brenda, thanks for being part of our Wantable community. I'm always happy to help you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach me at hello@wantable.com. Cheers, Rachel, customer advocate. So that was a nice little note. Here is my send back bag box. Let's see. First item we have is something black. I'm going to put this on the floor. Look out, Abby. There you go. Alright, this looks like a jacket. This is cute. Look at that. It's got a belt. Snaps. Hold on guys, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. So here is the jacket kind of unbuttoned a little bit. This is cute. I don't know if I'm gonna like the big collar. Let me see. It's got one more snap. It's got one more snap here, and then this part is just, oops, sorry. This part is just open. The belt kind of comes down a little past the strap, so that probably helps keep it together. I bet this is a little bit pricey. Let me see. It's got pockets. No pockets. Let me make sure. Ah, there is little tiny pockets. I can't get my hand in the whole pocket, but that's as wide as the pockets are. So there are little pockets. They are very much toward the bottom. This is the bottom, so they're right here. I kind of like that. I'm not sure if I would wear it, but I kind of like it. Okay, next item we have is a velvet top. This is by Line and Dot. This is Claudette top, back, black. This is $78. I have a very good friend named Claudette. That's kind of pretty. It's got snaps on the cuffs there. It is a kind of a salmon color. It's not pink and it's not orange, so I like that. That's cute. Okay, next item is by the Lucky brand. This is a, it doesn't tell me, it doesn't have a Wantable tag. This is a blouse. It's got a tie front, not too much of a angled bottom. The sleeve has what do I want to say, like a seam there. It's a little bit blousey and it has cuff, so that's pretty. The little button on it is cute. It's like a bronze color. I guess this is a good color for me. That's cute. I'm excited for that one. Next we have a short sleeve rib mix maroon black by Heart and Spade. This is $58. This is a little sweater. I like that. This box is winning out of Transcend and, or not Transcend, Trunk Club and Stitch Fix and Wantable. I don't know if you saw my last video, but I decided I'm only going to subscribe to one box next year. Wantable is winning if this stuff fits, because I'm really liking this selection. So here's the top again. It's got a little bit of a high-low, nothing too bad. Here is the bottom of that, and then just a little bit of a cut there. I saw someone else with a similar top in a video the other day, and I thought it was really cute. I don't remember what my note to Wantable said, but this has a burgundy. Now that's showing up red, but this is actually, yeah, this is burgundy. And I do have a burgundy jacket that I bought that I wanted some things to go with, so they definitely listened to me. I'm pretty sure that I mentioned that to them. So, all right, next item is a pair of black dress pants. I can tell you right now, these are not going to fit me. They are very small. This is boot cut pant medium in black, $48. These are by Daz. I would have to have another size in these. I just know these are not going to fit, although it looks like they're kind of high-waisted. So, did I give you the price on those? Yeah, $48. So, they look more like a straight leg, but that's okay. All right, so what have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. I have a pair of jeans next. These are by Dear John. I have never tried these. They are 34 length, and that's going to be too long for me. Here they are. I'll try those on. These might be a little bit big, and I can tell you right now they're definitely long. There's a little envelope on here with a note. Dear John, I'm terribly sorry I had to do this through a letter, but this felt better than talking to you in person because I am a mess like that. Wuss. I'm a wuss like that. This note will be the last memory you ever have of me. Oh, this is funny. It is signed, Have a Nice Life. So that is the Dear John letter. That's pretty funny. What a cute little marketing thing they have. Look at this. That's funny. All right, I don't know about those. We'll see. They are boot cut. They look like the legs are going to be too wide, which is always my problem. And I got one more thing in here, and it is something burgundy. And it, oh my gosh, you guys, look at this sweater. Can you see? It has a fur collar. This is by Madison and Lola. Brook Jacket Wine. $49. This is adorable. Oh my gosh. I love this. Here's the back. You can see it's kind of got two different, can you see that? It's got like two different, I can't see, so two different pattern. Yeah, you can see that. It's kind of different at the bottom. Sorry about the window. It's kind of throwing it off. There, you can maybe see it. Oh my gosh, is that adorable? Well, I didn't get anything from my stream, which were just some little cutout tops. But my gosh, guys, this stuff. Isn't it cute? I'm really excited. Okay, let's go back to the note. What did I do with the note? Oh boy. All right, here we go. So altogether, yikes. Altogether, merchandise total is $438. My discount would be $87.60. My hair's funky today. My styling fee of $20 would come off of that. And the total would be $330.40. That price is mostly because those jeans are $95. But let me just tell you, the wrap front coat is $68. That last cardigan is on sale for $28. I'm going out of focus. $28. I kind of hope that fits. Even though I have a suede jacket, but that's more of a sweater. The boot cut black pants are $32 on sale. And then the Claudette top by Line and Dot, the velvet, is $78. The peasant blouse is $79, and the short sleeve is $58. So 20% discount when you keep 5 or more items. So I'm gonna try this stuff on and add some of it up, and I think I'll go ahead and show you if I can show. I was looking to see if anyone was in my bathroom where I usually do my try on. Okay, I'm gonna go try some stuff on. I'll be right back. Okay guys, here is this top. I love this top. It's really cute. I know it's showing up kind of red, but it's actually kind of a deep burgundy. And here are the jeans. They do fit around my waist, but they do not fit here. They're way too baggy and they are too long. So unfortunately, I will be returning the jeans, and I'll be right back. Okay, I wanted to show you this real quick. Unfortunately, sleeves are too small and it's too tight in my shoulders, but wow, is this ever cute. Yeah, darn. I would have definitely probably kept this. I don't know if I could ask for a medium. It'll probably be too big here. So just unfortunately not a good brand for me. I could push these up, but it's still tight in the arms, so darn. Okay, here's this blouse. I'm not a fan. These kind of bug me, but it's very cute. Yeah, I did try to put the black pants on, but unfortunately they are too small. I thought they would be. They say they're size medium, but no. All right, so here's this blouse. I'm gonna leave this untied. Yeah, the sleeves they just feel a little bit strange because this is so noticeable when you're wearing it, and so I think this will be going back. Darn. Okay, I have 2 more things. Okay, the Claudette top I cannot get on. That is too small, too tight. But here is this black jacket. I will tell you that it is fleece lined. This is a point material. I don't know what to do with this. So here is, I don't have a shirt underneath, so bear with me a second here. So here is the jacket opened. This is cute, it's warm, but it's nothing that I need. I don't remember how much it was. But yeah, it's warm. It fits nice. It's got these little tiny pockets, like I said. So that is the jacket. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so a very promising box turned out to have some fit issues. The jeans are too big, too wide. I'm definitely keeping this top that I did put back on. I think this is really cute. I like this a lot. It's a ribbed material. I don't know if I mentioned that on the sleeve and on the back, but then this is just a Pont lightweight material, the shirt. So I'm definitely keeping this. And I guess that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I will have another video for you as soon as I get another box. I have Stitch Fix coming in January. Should be here January 19th. So I might not see you until then. Hope you all had a happy new year. Hope you are doing well and God's taking care of you. Bye guys.